This is a 2015 Audi S7 Sportback. This car's fitted with Audi's 4-litre twin-turbocharged 450 horsepower V8, a 7-speed S-tronic transmission and full-time quattro 4-wheel drive that we are going to use as a guinea pig to demonstrate launch control. To engage launch mode, there's a few things we need to do first. First off, drive select into dynamic mode. We need to make sure that automatic stop-start is disabled, the handbrake is released, hill hold assist is turned off, and the gearbox in its sport setting. Before you go, obviously make sure it's safe to do so, but you put your left foot all the way down on the foot brake, your right foot all the way down on the accelerator pedal, and once you do that, the revs will raise and then steady. And then when you're ready to go, snap off the foot brake.